In this video, I'll show you how to add a canonical tag in Yoast SEO to make sure search engines know which version of your content to prioritize. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard and open the post or page where you want to add the tag. Scroll down to the Yoast SEO box. If you're using the classic editor, you'll see it below the content. If you're on the block editor, open the Yoast SEO panel from the right-hand sidebar. Next, click the Advanced tab inside Yoast SEO. Here you will see the field for the canonical URL. Paste the full link of the page you want search engines to treat as the preferred version. Make sure it includes the full domain and starts with HTTPS, since relative URLs won't work. When you're done, click Update for existing posts or Publish for new ones. That's it. Your canonical tag is now active. This small step helps prevent duplicate content issues and improves your site's SEO performance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick WordPress tutorials.